Welcome to the video tutorial of the Computer Vision event Fortress organized by Technology Robotix Society to be held in Kshitij 2018 at IIT Kharagpur from 19 to 21st Jan. The problem statement of this event is to build an image processing robot that can recognize useful pattern by pattern recognition while avoiding other obstacles. The useful shapes that need to be detected will be given in an image to the contestant. The robot has to go to the identified shape and blink an LED. The video feed will be given to the robot by an overhead camera. The yellow shapes represent the shapes that need to be detected, and the robot has to go from one shape to another in a particular order. In this video, you can see the actual robot in action. In this arena, the shapes are all in different orientations and a few obstacles are also present. Obstacles are those shapes which are present on the arena but not in the given image. Here, the robot initially recognizes the useful shapes by comparing them to the given image using pattern recognition. The robot is then going from one shape to another in a particular order and avoiding the obstacles at the same time. The order in which the robot traverses to different shapes is decided by the color of the shapes in the given image. The markers on the robot are used for navigation and orientation of the robot. The robot in this video runs on a differential drive mechanism.